Welcome back to my brown couch of awesomeness. Today I have, as you can see, the Grossery Gang vending machine. It's got 20 exclusive groceries inside, and on the side here there's 4 surprise groceries. They are all from season 1, but it's completely new. It's like repaints almost, I think. Yeah. Let's just look at this packaging, guys. Let me zoom out a bit. It looks like a real vending machine. I can't wait to see what it looks like. At the back here it says 4 gross games to play. And I'm just super excited for this. So let's just get into this. Okay, that's disappointing. Am I stupid for thinking this is going to be a legit vending machine? Like a little play set? That's what I was hoping for. I feel extremely dumb now. Why is it saying gross games to play? What are they talking about? Because this is not a... I don't get it. What am I missing? Okay, this is a very big disappointment. But anyway, it's just a box, guys. Haha.
We fooled you.
Clearly. Okay, so anyway, these 4 is the surprise groceries, which I will open at the end. Really. I'm just gonna pop them all out. So here is all of the ones that was inside. Let's look at the checklist. Obviously not the normal checklist, it's just all of them that you get. And it's just for random games to play. Well, that's disappointing. Let's look at them one by one, shall we? Bad Soy. I think that's the name. Yep, Bad Soy. What's the name again? Sticky Soda in the green color. Then we have Snot and Pepper, green and pink. This is one of my favorites. Just look at those expressions. The egg, guys, rotten egg. This is like such a cool figure. I really like this one. Barf Bagel. Very cool. Wow. This is the cracked cracker. And I still don't know what Stinky is. Please, if anyone knows what Stinky is supposed to be, I have no idea. Some kind of dairy product, I presume. I have no idea, but it looks awesome. Lolly Slop. And in the normal finishes, this is sticky, but not in this one. They are just normal squishy. I prefer them like this. I don't like the sticky ones. Lime licorice. Licorice. Look at those eyes. Such a vibrant yellow. Not bad. Not bad. Leaky juice. Oh wow, this is my first leaky juice. Very awesome. Super cool. Spotty zit cream, and you can just see that he is a spotty zit cream. And it's oozing out of there. Oh, this is grossing me out.
Like really, that's grossing me out.
Then we have this stale muffin in this color. I have it in blue. Super cool. The detail on these guys are just awesome. This is my first yuck yogurt. How cool is this, guys? Little spoon in there. Super cool. Very nice. I love all the slime dripping out. Oh, Grossery Gang. This is disgusting. No. Terrible tomato sauce. Terrible tomato sauce. In vibrant green. My first crusty chocolate bar. That is pretty awesome. Super cool. Rotten raspberry, and this one is pretty cool. It's not see-through, but it's like a different kind of material, like different. It's kind of see-through, but not really. It's a very nice one. So now I guess it's time for the 4 surprise groceries. So, first one, guys. Oh, it's Gooey Smooch. It's a very cool one. I like it. Super cool. Ooh, who's this? Gooey Chewy. Is that really gooey? Yeah. Huh. Gooey Chewy. That is so cool. Look at that. It looks like a stump monster. Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh, this is the Stinky Mint. This is all from the sweets category. That's awesome. Stinky Mint. Last one, guys. Last one. It's the Grimy Lime. Grimy Lime. It's the same as the Rotten Raspberry, but just the Grimy Lime. Look at the eye. Oh, this is a very good one. I like this one. I like this one more. That is super cool. So, we got 24 new Grossery Gangs. I am super happy with what I did get, even though there are repaints. That's okay. They still look super cool. I'm just super bummed that vending machine is not a real vending machine, but like a playset. That's what I was expecting. So I'm quite disappointed. Let me know which one is your favorite. My favorite is the egg. I'm sorry, just look at this guy. Oh, he's my favorite. Definitely. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. Again. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!